Oh! You guys, CLT Hemi coming back with another video. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment, be ready for all that, because this is about to be a banger. A whole lot of people ask me why I went with Corsa Extremes, and I mean, I didn't see a point in cutting corners with a brand new 2019 Dodge Charger, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to do a muffler delete. Like, I get good enough sounds with the full catback exhaust that I have from Corsa. So I have Corsa Extremes. I think it ran me like 1,800, I want to say. That's around about 1,800. But it gives a whole lot of pops, crackles, and I'm gonna try to get some of that footage for y'all today. So I actually got a GoPro on the back, so I'm gonna be switching back and forth. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get some sounds for y'all. I'm going to hit these windows real quick. Yeah. And it's cold outside, so you know it's mad loud. And this is in eco mode because I actually need gas. I need to go to the gas station and get some gas, but let's see if I can get some pops. Popping today. She usually be popping like crazy, bro. Oh, there she go. She's starting to wake up a little bit. Oh yeah, bro. I love this exhaust, bro. It's very pricey, I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it's worth it at the end of the day. So that's why I went with it. Let me hit another pull for y'all real quick. Can't beat it, bro. I'm telling you. I mean, straight pipe, yeah, it's a little bit louder. Let me roll these windows. Straight pipe is mad loud, but I can ride down the highway with my windows up like this, cruising, and you don't even hear the car, you know what I'm saying? But then I press this gas like that. It sounds so good, bro. Like, you can't help but to smile whenever you drive this car, bro. That's why I'm so afraid of getting rid of it, because it makes me happy. But only thing I miss is that supercharger whine, bro. Hey, Russ, you know what I'm talking about, boy. That dog gonna supercharger while a fool, bro. I gotta have it, bro. I just have to have it. I'm not happy until I get it. So I'm about to pull it to the gas station and get some gas real quick, and then continue with this video. Hopefully I get some gas that might give me a little bit more pops. That's how my mind be thinking. But let me put some gas in this junk, because I am at 48 miles. Y'all see 48 miles. Almost. Yeah, that's a quarter of a tank. I need some gas. But let me get some gas and I'll catch up with y'all. you gotta get that 93. Hey. Y'all think it's gonna get to. Got the GoPro back there. Look at my tires, bro. We went and seen Christmas lights last night. Look at this, bro. It's dirty, bro. Look at. God almighty. Oh!
Jesus Christ.
I gotta wash my car, bro. This is unacceptable. Still going. Dang. I'm sick. So that was like $35 to fill up. But gas is not that expensive down here, so it's not that bad. But I had no idea. We went to see Christmas lights last night. Like, it was dark. I had no idea my car was that dirty, bro. This is filthy. I might have to make a stop and go wash my car, bro. Cause that, I can't deal with that. I cannot deal with that. That's ugly. But yeah, after this video, I might have to go do that, bro. Cause this unacceptable. Unacceptable. We back to a full tank of gas. And this is what's so crazy about these cars, bro. Hold on, let me turn this camera around. That's 220 miles to a full tank of gas. To a full tank of gas. Oh, that's what pops. Yeah, but this video is strictly about the Corsa Extremes, bro. Like, I'm cruising at 60 right now, and there's not much sound inside the cabin. You can hear a little bit of pops here and there, but like I said, I still have mufflers on this car. So if I was to cut the mufflers off, it'll be crazy, like loud, like that red truck, loud. But I don't need that loud because when I need to get on it, bro, I got still here. That's with the windows up, everything closed. But dang, I gotta go to the car wash. I can't deal with this, bro. I messed up this whole video. I'm thinking I'm riding around clean and I'm dirty. Can't do it. No sir. Bro, I had to cut this whole video, bro. I could not deal with my car being dirty, bro. So you know what I'm getting to right now. I ain't playing no games. I done did a whole live underbody wash, all that. So let me go ahead and knock this out so I can figure out what the heck I'm gonna do with the rest of this video, bro. Cause that jump made me mad, bro. Messed up my whole video and day, bro. I swear. So I'm finishing up right now. You know you gotta get the tire shine. You see the tires are dull, right? So I hit it with the super blue tire dresser from Jack's Wax. You know what I'm saying? Tell them to go ahead and sponsor the kid. Well, I'm gonna show y'all what this does. I'm gonna do one side. Bro, look at that. Yes, sir. You already know Jack's Wax for the win, bro. They done stole me from chemical guys. I'm telling you. It's wet. Let me go and look at the other side. I put the other side on there too. Yeah, the car is shining again. I completely stripped the tires, bro. So a couple more passes, the tires shine, she's gonna be ready. But let me go and finish this up because it is cold, frigid, ain't even gonna lie to you. And my lights are broke, so I gotta run red or white. But this is a little bit better, I would say. It's a little bit cooler. So let me go. Now this is 1,000 times better, bro. I could not deal with that dirty car, bro. I'm telling you, that is one of my biggest pet peeves, bro. A dirty car, I can't deal with it. And I know it just sits, bro, so I couldn't have it sitting in the garage and it just being dirty. So for the next couple days, I know it's gonna rain, but at least it's clean. And I got these headlights coming in, or the new boxes for the headlights, so I can change those up real soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. But thank you for watching this video. Sorry the video had messed up, bro. Like, this whole thing had messed up my whole day. So if y'all a car guy, y'all understand. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know how dirty cars make y'all feel, bro, because I can't stand it, bro. It's the worst thing ever. But like I said, I'm out. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day.